Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to Queenstown, New Zealand, a place famous for its stunning alpine scenery, crystal clear lakes, and heart-pounding adventures. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best places to visit in Queenstown, from must-see landmarks and breathtaking viewpoints to unforgettable outdoor experiences. Whether you're planning a trip or just love exploring beautiful destinations, this list is packed with inspiration. So relax, enjoy the journey, and let's dive into the best of Queenstown. Seven, Milford Sound. The Milford Sound, located in the heart of Fiordland National Park on New Zealand's South Island, is one of the country's most breathtaking natural wonders. Often described as the 8th wonder of the world, this dramatic fjord is surrounded by towering cliffs, lush rainforests, and mist-covered peaks that rise straight from the dark, still waters. The most famous landmark, Mitre Peak, dominates the landscape and creates one of the most iconic views in New Zealand. The beauty of Milford Sound is enhanced by its frequent rainfall, which feeds hundreds of temporary waterfalls cascading down the steep rock faces. Permanent waterfalls such as Sterling Falls and Bowen Falls add to the area's magical atmosphere, especially after heavy rain when the fjord comes alive with rushing water. The calm waters often reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a serene and unforgettable scene. Visitors can experience Milford Sound through scenic cruises or hiking nearby tracks, allowing close encounters with its natural wildlife, including seals, dolphins, and sometimes penguins. As part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Milford Sound is a powerful example of untouched wilderness and remains one of New Zealand's most treasured destinations, captivating travelers with its raw beauty and peaceful grandeur. 6. Lake Wakatipu. The Lake Wakatipu is one of the most iconic and scenic landmarks in Queenstown, New Zealand. Stretching over 80 kilometers long with a unique lightning bolt shape, it is the country's longest inland lake and is surrounded by dramatic mountains, including the Remarkables and Cecil Peak. Its deep blue waters, often calm and reflective, create a striking contrast against the surrounding alpine landscape, making it a favorite spot for photography and relaxation. The lake is famous for its natural phenomenon known as the seiche, a rhythmic rise and fall of the water level that occurs approximately every 25 minutes. This unique characteristic adds to the lake's intrigue and is a reminder of the dynamic natural forces at work in New Zealand's landscapes. Visitors can enjoy Lake Wakatipu in many ways, from scenic cruises aboard the historic TSS Earnslaw to kayaking, paddleboarding, or simply walking along its lakeside paths. The surrounding areas also offer beaches, picnic spots, and stunning viewpoints, making it an ideal place to experience the beauty of the South Island. Whether admired from the shore, from the water, or from the nearby hills, Lake Wakatipu remains a central gem of Queenstown and a must-see destination for travelers. 5. Skyline Queenstown. The Skyline Queenstown is one of the most popular attractions in Queenstown, New Zealand, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the town, Lake Wakatipu, and the surrounding mountain ranges. Located at the top of Bob's Peak, it is reached by a steep gondola ride that is itself an exciting experience, climbing high above the city and revealing stunning scenery as you ascend. At the summit, visitors can enjoy a variety of activities suitable for all ages. One of the highlights is the luge, where riders race down winding tracks with incredible views as their backdrop. There are also walking trails, lookout points, and a restaurant that allows guests to dine while taking in sweeping alpine landscapes, especially beautiful at sunset. Skyline Queenstown is not only about adventure, but also about relaxation and photography. Whether you visit during the day for clear mountain views or in the evening to see Queenstown sparkle with lights below, the experience is memorable in every season. It is a must-visit destination that perfectly captures the spirit of adventure and natural beauty that Queenstown is famous for. 4. TSS Earnslaw Queenstown Cruise. The TSS Earnslaw Queenstown Cruise, operated by RealNZ, is one of the most iconic experiences in Queenstown, New Zealand. The TSS Earnslaw is a historic steamship, launched in 1912, that has been lovingly maintained and still offers passengers a nostalgic journey across Lake Wakatipu, gliding across the calm, turquoise waters with the Remarkable's mountain range as a backdrop. The cruise provides a unique combination of history, scenery, and relaxation. The cruise itself typically lasts around 90 minutes one way and often includes onboard commentary about the lake, surrounding mountains, and the ship's fascinating history. Visitors can explore the ship's engine room to see the vintage steam engines in action or relax on deck while enjoying the fresh alpine air and panoramic views. Many cruise packages also include a stop at Walter Peak High Country Farm, where visitors can experience farm life in New Zealand's high country. Here, guests can enjoy sheep demonstrations, explore the grounds, and often enjoy a gourmet lunch or afternoon tea at the historic farm homestead. The TSS Earnslaw cruise is more than just a boat ride. It is a journey through history and nature that perfectly showcases the beauty and culture of the Queenstown region. 3. Coronet Peak. The Coronet Peak is one of New Zealand's premier alpine destinations, located just a short drive from Queenstown. Renowned for its spectacular scenery, it sits at an elevation of 1,649 meters and offers panoramic views of the Remarkable's mountain range, Lake Wakatipu, and the surrounding valleys. Coronet Peak is famous for its ski fields in the winter, attracting skiers and snowboarders from around the world, but its appeal extends year-round for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In winter, Coronet Peak boasts excellent ski runs, modern lift systems, and snowmaking facilities, making it one of the most accessible and well-equipped ski areas in New Zealand. Beyond skiing, visitors can enjoy snowshoeing, scenic chairlift rides, and sunset tours that provide unforgettable vistas over the Southern Alps. During the warmer months, Coronet Peak transforms into a hub for hiking, mountain biking, and photography. Trails wind through alpine meadows and native bush, offering opportunities to explore the unique flora and fauna of the region. Whether you visit for winter sports, summer adventures, or simply to take in the breathtaking landscapes, Coronet Peak is a must-visit destination that showcases the natural beauty and outdoor excitement that define the Queenstown area. 2. Queenstown Hill. The Queenstown Hill walking track is one of the most rewarding hikes in Queenstown, New Zealand, offering spectacular views over Lake Wakatipu, the Remarkable's mountain range, and the town itself. The trail begins near the Queenstown Gardens and winds steadily uphill through native forest, open grasslands, and scenic ridgelines, making it a perfect combination of nature and panoramic vistas. The hike typically takes around 2-3 hours round trip, depending on pace, and while it's moderately steep in sections, the trail is well-maintained and accessible for most walkers. Along the way, native plants, birds, and occasional wildlife add to the experience, giving hikers a sense of connection to New Zealand's unique environment. At the summit, walkers are greeted by the iconic Basket of Dreams sculpture, which has become a popular spot for photos. From this vantage point, the sweeping views of Lake Wakatipu, the Remarkables, and surrounding valleys are absolutely breathtaking, making every step of the climb worth it. Queenstown Hill walking track is a must-visit for those who love outdoor adventure, photography, or simply soaking in the stunning South Island landscapes. 1. Skipper's Canyon. The Skipper's Canyon is a historic and dramatic gorge located just outside Queenstown, New Zealand. Carved by the Shot Over River, The canyon stretches over 22 kilometers of rugged terrain, with steep cliffs, narrow, winding roads, and breathtaking alpine scenery. Its remote and wild nature makes it one of the most iconic natural landmarks in the Queenstown region, offering a glimpse into the raw beauty of New Zealand's South Island. The canyon is steeped in history, having been a hub during the gold rush of the 1860s. Prospectors flocked to Skipper's Canyon in search of gold, and the remnants of this era, old mining equipment, historic buildings, and abandoned settlements, can still be seen today. The area is named after Skipper Thomas Arthur, one of the first European miners in the region, and its history adds a fascinating cultural dimension to the striking landscape. Visitors today explore Skipper's Canyon mainly via guided tours or 4WD adventures due to its narrow, winding, and sometimes treacherous roads. These tours offer not only thrilling rides, but also an opportunity to learn about the canyon's mining heritage, geology, and ecology. With its combination of history, adventure, and spectacular scenery, Skipper's Canyon remains a must-visit destination for anyone wanting to experience the adventurous spirit and natural beauty of the Queenstown region. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best places to visit in Queenstown, New Zealand. New Zealand, from jaw-dropping mountain views and serene lakes to unforgettable adventures and iconic attractions, Queenstown truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a lover of natural beauty, this destination never disappoints. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow travel lovers. Let us know in the comments which place was your favorite, or if there's a spot in Queenstown you think deserves a mention. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.